Hi, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're proud to present this beautiful Jaguar S-Type. It's a 2000 on a W, 3 litre V6 petrol SE+. Nice specification car in sea frost metallic, which is absolutely unmarked. It's a beautiful car. As you can see from the front, we fitted a mesh grille and a leaping cap. It's got front fog lights, all colour-coded mirrors and bumpers, the original alloy wheels, never been refurbished. This car has only done just over 30,000 miles from new. Got full service history, and it's literally had so much sort of maintenance just to keep it absolutely tip-top. It is a real credit to its former keeper. These cars now are getting increasingly hard to find in this condition. I mean, they really are. Sunroof model, electric sunroof model. It's got the chrome door handles. And as you can see, it's absolutely immaculate. No chips, no rust, no damage, no corrosion underneath. All the bushes have been replaced underneath, just because of age, really. There you go. Parking sensors at the rear. We're a bit cramped in the showroom at the minute. We've got quite a few cars in. I'm sure you'll be able to see from the video how immaculate this car is. All the glass is in fantastic condition. I don't really think it's seen a lot of weather, this car. There's no scuffs or damage on bumpers. I'll just lift the boot so you can see inside. Boot carpet's in fantastic condition. All the boot apertures are fantastic, really clean, corrosion free. It's even got the button, the pulls for the rear seat, so you can, it's a split fold rear seat, so you can actually put stuff in there if you need to do occasionally, you know, even though it's a saloon. Again, the same story this side. Wheels, no corrosion, no damage. Paintwork, immaculate. No corrosion, no chips, no scuffs. We've done no paintwork to this car at all. It is all original. So the previous owner tells me. All the tyres are matching Pirellis all round. And let's have a look inside. All the door cards. Hello, Dora. All the door cards, the veneers, the leather, the carpets. Absolutely immaculate, as you can see. All the door apertures the same, corrosion free, no damage. Centre armrest headlining's fantastic, no issues there. There you go, look at that. Absolutely fantastic. It's got the bird's eye maple in there, the wood veneers, bird's eye maple, got a wooden gear lever knob. It's also got the wood steering wheel. You've got air conditioning, dual climate control, you've got radio cassette, you've got electric steering column adjustment, multifunction steering wheel, obviously airbags, sports gearbox, front centre armrest, electric windows, electric mirrors, just all the usual Jaguar things, really. Oh, it's also got electric seats as well. Both seats in the front are electric. Yeah, really lovely car. We love these S-Types, and just recently we seem to have been getting S-Types all in this colour for some reason. We've had about 3 or 4 S-Types in sea frost, which we don't mind. It's a nice colour, and it's very popular. Every time we get it, it sells. As you can see there, all the leather's absolutely fantastic condition on the driver's seat as well. Very little wear. As you can see there, no scuffs, no damage on the leather. Really nice place to be in there. This car drives fantastic. as you would expect for that mileage. We've serviced it fully, so it's had a full oil and filter. It's had 6 new plugs. It's had, obviously when you replace the plugs on this bank, you've got to have the inlet manifold off. It's had all new gaskets. It's had 6 new coil packs as well. So nothing to worry about or to even think about in the future now. All done. New air filter. Yeah, all the antifreeze has been checked for the correct strength. The brake fluid's absolutely fine. Screen watcher's been replenished. And that's all there is to report under there, really. New wiper blades fitted as well. So yeah, all in all, a real bargain of a car. When you think what these were new and the condition of this now is still in, and it's just I think it's done just turned 31,000 miles. So fantastic value for money, 7,995. All inquiries, please give us a shout on our telephone number. You're welcome, 077 59 938 395. You can email us at sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com. All other inquiries you can go through our website, which is the Malton Motor Company. If you just Google that, it'll come up, and just press the website button and it'll take you through. We've probably got around, plus this video, we've probably got around 35 to 40 pictures. They're going to be uploaded onto our Facebook page shortly. Unfortunately, we can only put 25 on our website, but again, you know, just check the Facebook page out, as there'll be a lot of photographs on there, plus this video will be uploaded to Facebook and to our YouTube channel, which is the Malton Motor Company. Lovely, thanks very much. Please like and share. We'll look forward to your inquiry soon. Bye for now.